What if you could burn fat, boost energy, and stay fit in just 10 minutes a day? No long gym sessions, no complicated routines, just quick, effective workouts designed for busy schedules. In this video, you'll discover powerful 10-minute fat-burning exercises that activate your whole body and keep your metabolism working long after you finish. Perfect for anyone who wants real results without sacrificing time. A well-designed 10-minute workout can stimulate fat burning, improve cardiovascular fitness, and enhance muscular endurance, especially when repeated consistently over time. 10. Understand the goal. Metabolic activation, not just exercise. A 10-minute workout is not about traditional fitness training volume. It is about rapidly increasing heart rate, engaging large muscle groups, and triggering a metabolic response. When your body is pushed into a high-effort state quickly, it begins burning more energy and continues this elevated calorie burn even after the workout ends. This is known as the afterburn effect. 9. Use full body engagement for maximum output. Short workouts require efficiency. That means every movement should involve multiple muscle groups at once. Instead of isolating muscles, prioritize compound movements that activate the legs, core, and upper body simultaneously. This increases energy demand and maximizes calorie burn per minute. 8. Eliminate unnecessary rest periods. Rest is important in traditional strength training, but in fat-burning circuits, long rest periods reduce effectiveness. Instead, keep rest minimal or active, such as light marching or controlled breathing movements. This maintains elevated heart rate and keeps the body in a continuous calorie-burning state. 7. Combine strength and cardio in one flow. Instead of separating workouts into cardio day and strength day, blend them together into one continuous system. For example, alternating body weight strength exercises with explosive cardio movements keeps the body under constant demand. This combination improves endurance, muscle tone, and fat loss simultaneously. 6. Focus on movement speed with control. Speed increases intensity, but uncontrolled movement increases injury risk. The balance between fast execution and proper form is essential. Each repetition should be performed with precision, even when moving quickly. Controlled speed ensures muscles are fully engaged and prevents wasted effort. 5. Prioritize high-calorie burn exercises. Not all exercises burn calories equally. Some movements require significantly more energy due to full body engagement and explosive power. Exercises like squats, push-ups, and dynamic core movements activate large muscle groups and elevate heart rate quickly. These should form the core of any 10-minute routine. 4. Use interval structure to maintain intensity. Interval-based training is essential for short workouts. It divides time into bursts of effort followed by brief recovery phases. This structure prevents fatigue from stopping the workout early while maintaining high overall intensity. It also improves cardiovascular efficiency over time. 3. Eliminate decision fatigue with pre-planned routines. One of the biggest barriers to consistency is deciding what to do each day. In short workouts, structure is critical. Having a fixed 10-minute routine removes hesitation and allows immediate action. When you already know the sequence, you eliminate delays and maximize workout efficiency. 2. Make it easy to start, hard to skip. Short workouts succeed because they reduce psychological resistance. A 10-minute commitment feels manageable, even on busy days. Once you start, momentum naturally increases intensity. The hardest part is not finishing. It is beginning. 1. Build identity through repetition, not motivation. The most powerful outcome of short workouts is not physical alone. It is behavioral. Repeating 10-minute sessions consistently builds identity. Instead of thinking, "I need to work out," you begin thinking, "I am someone who trains daily." This shift reduces reliance on motivation and increases discipline. Over time, small daily actions compound into major physical transformation. Extended insight. Why short fat-burning workouts work so well. Short workouts are effective because they remove common barriers: lack of time, fatigue, and motivation. They are psychologically easier to start, which increases consistency. From a physiological perspective, high-intensity effort triggers hormonal and metabolic responses that continue burning calories even after exercise ends. This combination of low resistance to start plus high metabolic demand makes 10-minute workouts surprisingly powerful when done consistently. Advanced strategy. Designing a 10-minute fat-burning circuit. A well-structured session typically includes a very short warm-up, light movement or dynamic activation, a high-intensity circuit of compound movements, minimal or active rest between exercises, a short cool-down or breathing reset, rotating exercises such as squats, mountain climbers, jumping movements, and push-ups keeps intensity high and prevents adaptation. 10-minute fat-burning workouts prove that fitness success is not dependent on long training sessions, but on smart structure and consistency. When designed correctly, short workouts can effectively improve metabolism, support fat loss, and enhance overall fitness. The true power of this approach lies in its simplicity. It removes excuses, reduces barriers, and makes daily exercise achievable. In the end, results come not from how much time you have, but from how consistently you use even the smallest amount of it. Now you know that even 10 minutes can make a real difference when your workouts are focused and consistent. It's not about how long you train, it's about how effectively you use your time. Stay consistent, push yourself daily, and the results will follow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more quick and effective fitness tips. Stay active and keep burning.